There's snow on the ground, but you're not in the spirit. What gets people in the spirit of Christmas more than anything? Fruitcake. Now I know what you're thinking. Ew, I don't like fruitcake. Don't worry. This is going to be a different kind of fruitcake. There's going to be very little fruit in it, and it's not going to taste like fruitcake. It's the November fruitcake. So, one sec. There. Brown sugar, add some eggs, and beat them until beat them to your heart's content. Now it's thoroughly bubbly with airs and stuff. Crushed pineapple. That's the only fruit that's going in our fruitcake. You can say it's healthy. It's really just there for moisture. I'm afraid this is going to be really dry. What is next? Flour! Cinnamon! Salt! Got some on the counter. Now that's it for the base of our cake. You might be thinking, what? There aren't any leaveners in there. Now, what just happened? Spooky Day. What happens on Halloween? Cavities. How do you protect your kids from cavities? You hide all the candy. This is just the red box. Kit Kat, Coffee Crisp, Smarties, Aero. Use whatever box you like to buy. It's all chopped up. Now, this is how we get people to like fruitcake. Fill it with stuff that isn't fruit. Alright. Get yourself a decorative, flimsy loaf pan and put it all in. You can smell the pineapple, which is a little concerning. Okay. Yeah, one sec. The delivery guy! We got some extra Smarties. Kit Kat. You want it to really cave into the batter. I'm worried that this might burn. And then bake this at 325 for an hour and a half and hope it comes out of the pan afterwards. Okay, we're just gonna let it think for a bit. Don't want to burn our mouth. Something tells me it's going to be very dense. Offset. Okay, so it's a bit ugly from this side, but flip it around and no one will know. Don't use a textured pan, it gets stuck. But, you know, it is what it is. We'll just hack off a piece and see if it's better than fruitcake. Now, I actually like fruitcake. It's good. It's not very pretty, I'll say that. But, November fruitcake. So, it's super dense, and you have to chew for a long time. But it's candy in more or less a loaf, unless it broke coming out of the oven, and then it's a blob. I kind of like it. That's it. This is what we have. Feast your eyes. Next week, if you come back, I'm cooking something else. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, @AaronsBakery. Vote for me as the greatest baker. Link in the description if you haven't already. You have until tomorrow. Haha, short notice. And that's that.